Imagine waking up at 4 a.m., opening your email, and suddenly realizing your American dream may end in just 60 days. No warning, no guarantee, no backup. And now thousands of Indian IT professionals in America are facing exactly this situation after fresh layoffs at companies like Meta, Amazon, and other tech giants. But this story is much bigger than layoffs. This is about AI replacing jobs, visa pressure, economic slowdown, and a new tech war changing the future of global employment. So what is really happening in America right now? Are Indians specifically being targeted? Is AI the real reason? What does this mean for H1B visa holders? And what should students and professionals do next? Watch till the end because the final takeaway could completely change how you see the future of IT jobs. In 2026, the U.S. tech industry entered another massive restructuring phase. Major companies including Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Google have either slowed hiring, restructured teams, or announced layoffs. But this time the reason is different. This is not just cost-cutting. This is an AI transformation phase. Companies are rapidly investing billions into generative AI, automation, AI coding systems, AI productivity tools. Meta reportedly linked layoffs directly to AI restructuring and efficiency goals. Earlier, companies needed large engineering teams for repetitive tasks. Now AI tools can generate code, automate testing, create designs, summarize data, reduce manual workload. That does not mean all engineers are useless. But companies now want smaller teams, AI-skilled employees, high-productivity workers. So instead of hiring 10 average engineers, companies may prefer 3 highly AI-skilled engineers. This is the harsh reality of the new market. Now comes the most emotional part of this story. Why are Indians discussing this crisis more? Because Indian professionals form one of the biggest groups in the U.S. tech workforce under H1B visas. And here's the biggest problem. If an H1B employee loses their job, the visa countdown starts. Usually around 60 days. Within that period they must find another sponsor, change visa status, or leave the country. 60-day H1B grace period. That means layoffs are not just job loss. They can become immigration crisis, family crisis, financial crisis, mental stress crisis. Many affected workers have children in U.S. schools, house loans, long-term settlement plans, and suddenly everything becomes uncertain. Now let's discuss the political angle carefully and objectively. Donald Trump and several political voices have repeatedly argued that some companies misuse H-1B visas. American jobs should prioritize American citizens. Visa systems need stricter controls. Supporters say this protects local workers. Critics say this creates fear for skilled immigrants and reduces global talent attraction. Recent discussions around stricter H-1B rules and higher visa costs increased anxiety in the tech community. But it's important to stay unbiased. Current layoffs are mainly driven by AI restructuring, economic pressure, investor expectations, efficiency goals, not only immigration politics, impact on employees, fear, uncertainty, burnout, mental stress, impact on students. Many international students now question, is studying in America still safe for tech careers? Impact on families. Families dependent on one H-1B income face serious pressure. Impact on India. If more professionals return, India may gain experienced talent. Startup ecosystem could benefit. Remote work may grow faster. Possibilities. AI creates new job categories. Higher focus on skills. Faster innovation. Better productivity. Rise of AI startups. Negatives. Job insecurity. Visa vulnerability. Middle-level roles shrinking. Mental health pressure. Uncertainty for immigrants. If you are in tech, don't panic, adapt. What professionals should do now? 1. Learn AI tools. AI-assisted coding. Automation workflows. Prompt engineering. AI integration. 2. Build strong network. Many jobs today come through referrals. 3. Keep backup plans. Remote work. Freelancing. Startup skills. Alternate visa pathways. 4. Improve financial safety. Emergency savings are now critical. 5. Focus on high-value skills. Future-safe skills include AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, product thinking, system architecture. Many people online are saying, AI will replace all programmers. That is not accurate. AI will likely replace repetitive work, reduce some roles, transform workflows, but companies still need problem solvers, architects, innovators, strategic thinkers. The future belongs to people who can work with AI. So this story is not just about layoffs. It is about how technology is reshaping human life faster than society can adapt. The real danger is not AI. The real danger is refusing to evolve. And the people who survive this era will not necessarily be the smartest, but the most adaptable. Like this video if you found it useful. Comment your thoughts below. Subscribe for unbiased tech and global trend breakdowns. Main points. Meta and other tech companies are restructuring heavily around AI. Indian H1B workers are more vulnerable because visa status depends on employment. AI is transforming jobs, not simply ending all tech careers. Trump-era immigration narratives increased visa uncertainty, but layoffs are also tied to economics and AI efficiency. Adaptability and AI skills are becoming critical for survival in tech. Emotional, financial, and immigration impacts are huge for affected families. So the future of tech is clearly changing. AI is transforming jobs, companies are restructuring, and global talent competition is becoming tougher than ever. But one thing is certain. The people who keep learning, adapting, and upgrading themselves will always stay ahead. If this video helped you understand the reality behind US tech layoffs, H1B visa pressure, AI disruption, and the future of IT jobs, like this video. Share your opinion in the comments. Share this with your friends and family working in tech. And most importantly, subscribe and follow our channel for the latest AI updates, tech news, tutorials, future job trends, and powerful technology explainers, simplified for everyone. Stay informed, stay updated, stay future ready.